guys, so I just thought I'd jump on here and do a little review of the Lululemon City Adventurer belt bag. So this is the 2.5 litre in black and I've worn it once. I love it. So I'm petite and it's quite difficult to find belt bags that actually fit me around the waist because I like to wear them as a belt bag, but this is so adjustable. The buckle is nice and strong. You can adjust it to be as tight or as loose as you want. So if you want to wear it across the body, you can. And I'm really liking how handy it is. So I would have preferred to get the bigger size. I think the biggest one is the 3.5 litres, but it wasn't available. So if it ever becomes available, I'll get that. But the size is good. I would prefer it to be bigger, like I said. So it has a compartment at the back, which is really handy to put your phone in. And it has two compartments on the front. So the first compartment is nice and big, and then there's a little compartment at the front. I guess you could always put your phone in there, or if you want some cash or something quick to like be easily accessible. Really like it. It's nice and big. It's a good size on the way it's designed, so the things fall to the bottom, and it's really nice to wear like your waist, which is how I wear it. So I just wanted to compare two other belt bags. Got here a Zara belt bag. So I got this in the sale 2 years ago, and it was something like £7, so definitely less than £10. This was like £58 and I got 15% off or something, so it's a bit more than this. But this I find is too small, so this is really handy because it's nice and cute and you can put your stuff in, but it literally just fits like your phone and a purse and that's it. And I found that it's not big enough, but whilst it's waterproof, I wanted something that was as handy as this. I only had one compartment here, like a zip inside, and that's it. One is definitely bigger. I love it. It fits so much more. And the main reason I wanted the Lululemon bag is because it's waterproof. So in the UK, we get like unexpected weather, we get rain, we get everything. I wanted it wipeable where I'm not gonna worry if I'm gonna damage it. This is definitely a bigger alternative to the Zara one that I've got. So now I want to show you my Gucci belt bag. So this is the jumbo Gucci belt bag. It's massive, it fits everything. I love it. It's got the nice, wearing it today. There's no back compartment, which is really sad because when I wear, so I've got the Louis Vuitton one too. It's really handy to put the phone in there because it's very fluid and it does bunch up. I do find that it can get quite chunky. Also the canvas material, I have dropped something on it once and I was worried it would stain. Luckily it hasn't, there are no stains, but I do still get worried to wear this in the rain just in case. I get coffee out a lot and I'm always worried I'm gonna drop some coffee on it, which wouldn't be great. So it's good to have the option for the Lululemon bag where if you know you're gonna have a crazy hectic day, you can still bring this one and not worry about staining it because obviously it's not as expensive as this. So I've got so much stuff in here. You really can fit a lot, and I got the smallest size, so this fits nicely around my waist, but as you can see, it's massive. So just to compare, the Lululemon is smaller, but not that, well actually yeah, it does look quite a lot smaller. So obviously the biggest Lululemon bag would be ideal, and that's my next one I want to get. So far, I really like it. It's probably going to replace my Gucci bag where I can protect this and not wear it as much as I have been, and wear this and it's bigger than the Zara one, so I can actually fit more and it's a lot more practical. My next video is probably a review of the rucksack.